Did you know about bodies of water? You may not know about it. So I'm here today to talk about it. Hi, I'm Uri, and today we're gonna see through about bodies of water. So what bodies of water? Bodies of waters are every resource of waters in our world. Include lakes, rivers, oceans, or ponds. Even the water we use daily. So, so let's go in more carefully about them to see what it is and what it's do. So first, the biggest bodies of waters is oceans. So what is so the oceans is in far away to our land, right? It but the oceans covered 75% or more to cover up the earth. You see how much water is this? There is many kinds of resource of waters. So how about the sea? Why is this different to the ocean? The sea is just a small part of the ocean. The ocean is many seas formed together. So you know that the sea and the water is more than the land. Okay. So the next one is gonna be the lake. So what's the lake? The lake is where it can be big or small. In the lake we can swim boats or there's some animals there. So is it a kind of resource? Yes, of course, because it has water. It is a body of water that we use. It is fresh water, and the ocean is the salt water. And there are some fresh water that we can use. The first one is the lake, the second one is the pond, and the third one is the river. So that is the three fresh water, and the ocean and the sea is the salt water. So let's go back to where we are going. Lake, you remember? Now let's get to the water resource pond. So this pond is really smaller and quieter than the lake. The pond of animals such as frogs, dragonflies, and also sometimes ducks and fishes. The bodies of water have many animals, even the sea. You see? How about the river? The river is the fast flowing resource of water that can be found everywhere. And the longest one is the River Nile. It is very long to boats to go. So do you know the biggest freshwater lake? It is the Superior Lake. It is really big. You know? Do you know it? Okay. It is about 31 mm, 31,700 square miles and 82,170 square kilometers. You see how big it is? So, did you know what is the biggest sea or ocean? I mean, it is the Pacific Ocean. It is really big. It is also the deepest one. And the second deepest and the biggest one is the Atlantic. It is also really big. So there are many animals and lives under the water, like the blue whales, sharks, fishes, octopuses, and more animals in the sea. So you see, but the the not the bad thing is that there's just 1% fresh water for us to use and safe to use. But we need to share with other animals too. So that's the problem. You know that there 20% of the water is locked into galaxies, but now the temperature is rising up in the earth. So that you see the problem with the galaxies. They're melting and there's many floods and hurricanes are coming to us. So scientists are finding why are it rising up, and we see as it are going to do. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Bye bye.